Hello everyone, in this video we learn about hole command. In this command we learn how to create hole in a solid body. Click the command. In hole we have several options like simple, counterbore, countersunk, taper, threaded and hole series. And in hole you can control with various custom drill size, screw clearance, chamfer, position. So let's start from simple way to create hole. You can create hole by sketching our existing point. First we taking by sketch. Click the top face and OK. Create point and dimension it 20 and 20. Now you can put here value, the hole diameter 10, and you can control the depth 20 and OK. Now you can edit with various options. First we taking chamfer, start chamfer, click, you can put here value and OK. If you drill throughout the body and click the end chamfer, similarly the end chamfer, here the chamfer value is 1 mm. If you have no sketch, only point means the selectable edge or shape or point. If I am clicking the center of the circle, put here the value, you can also create hole. If you want to select the end of the edge, on the snap, put the value here and click. So there are many type of idea to create a hole. In hole size option, we have drill size and screw clearance. Here you can select the standard, the custom and exact. If you are going to screw clearance, then standard, screw type, screw size, fit. So whatever you requirement, you can select. Now double click, edit. In similar way you can create counterbore. the hole size. Similarly, screw clearance are custom, we taking custom. Hole diameter 10 mm, counter bore diameter 20, counter bore depth 10 mm, and chamfer, if you requirement then you can put the value or off, and OK. If you want to select countersunk, then similarly you can create countersunk, hole diameter, countersunk diameter, and angle. And if you want to create chamfer, then you can click a relief. You can also making the relief of countersunk. If you off, you can see. Similarly, taper hole, the hole diameter 20, the taper angle 1 degree or 2 degree, and OK. Basic hole creation idea are same. Now threaded. Select the center of the circle. In threaded hole, if you want to create the fresh hole, then you need to delete. Create hole, the threaded. Select the location 20, 20. Okay. M12, the thread depth, here thread type. You can also relieve if requirement. The hole depth, here depth 18 and hole depth 24. Okay, and OK. You can see here threaded hole. If you want to control and the next option, the hole series. The hole series work in assembly. You can hold the multiple body in same time. You going to hole series later. Now receive the tab. If you have multiple point, you can select and diameter value, the chamfer, and OK. Similarly, click 2 point, and OK. If you want to add here the thread chamfer, remove top, select the hole, thread type, any standard. We have many standard. I want to create here BSPT 1/4. Select the center of the hole, the here hole direction, thread depth in inch and hole depth, and create OK. Another example, if you want to create hole in a circular body, simple way, reset the hole tab, click the point and click ensure the normal to the face is on. Put the value of diameter 8 and depth 20 and OK. Another example, if you want to create hole in a circular taper face, I'm going to create hole, the taper face, select the plane. Okay, you can create point or circular point. Constrain the point, include the edge or circle. Okay, 35 and OK. Six mm. You can see the hole is calculated from the top of the point. If you click the project point on target, then hole are calculated from the tangent maximum projected point. You can control the depth of hole and OK. And last option, we have assembly, the three part. And are going to make hole series. In hole series, you can hold the three body in the same time by hole series. And the first two body are clearance hole and the last one can be clearance hole or threaded hole. We need to select here the entire assembly, specify point, start simple counter board. If you require counter board, then click counter board. Here you can choose the screw type, the hole M10 and fit, going to loose fit, middle same way loose and the end threaded or clearance according to your requirement, and depth you can control. You can also control right hand and left hand. Relief also can be possible if you want to relieve the thread. If not, then uncheck control chamfer, enable or disable, and OK. So you can see the hole are same time in 3 bodies by hole series. So guys, hope you understand. To watch such type of video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.